No way. I chased you too far and gave up.
He won't even wake up.
Jason went to sleep. He won't wake up.
I got you now. Not on my watch. Twin Dick.
I think you might have had a nice dream.
Why don't you mind your own business? I'm just saying hello to an old friend.
This is our business, and you're not acting too friendly.
So leopards say hello with their teeth. So what?
So, it's time for you to say goodbye.
Come on, I can fight two at once.
Let's make it 3. What's the matter? You got your tail?
I hope you taste better than you smell.
Well, Jason, I'm pretty sure you're gonna get about 1,000 likes on YouTube about now.
Now you stay here.
No,
He threw the phone.